You're welcome to this new episode, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on in-app purchase on iPhone. So in-app purchase is a feature on your iPhone that allows you to purchase application from the App Store or any other store on iPhone that requires in-app purchase permission. Now, to turn on the in-app purchase on your iPhone, all you need to do is you want to go to your iPhone settings. One on the settings page, just scroll down and click on screen time. Then scroll down under screen time and tap content and privacy restrictions. Under that, make sure this feature is enabled on your iPhone. If it is disabled, then you need to enable the content and privacy restrictions to be able to have access to all the information here. You see that? Now the next thing you want to do here is you want to click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Click on that. Then you have access to store purchases and redownloads. Then click on in-app purchases. Once you hit the in-app purchases feature here, then you have options to either allow or don't allow. So if you choose to not allow, your iPhone will disable in-app purchases on your iPhone. And if you choose allow, in-app purchases will be enabled or turned on your iPhone. So this is how to enable or turn on in-app purchases on iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.